Heritage Awards and Letters. Unang Vita Productions. Present Luigi Pirandello. 6 characters in search of an author, an adaptation. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. There are people who are looking for you, sir.
What?
I'm so sorry.
You know perfectly well that no one is allowed to come in during my rehearsal.
I'm sorry, but Steve insisted.
For God's sake! What the hell are you? And what do you want? As a matter of fact, we have come here in search of an author. An author? What author? Any author, sir. But there is no author. We are rehearsing a new piece.
So much better. We can be your neighbors.
We have no time to waste with mad people. Oh, sir. You know what? We bring a drama to you. A drama.
We may be your fortune, sir.
We have no time to waste, as I have said. Oh, sir. You know that life is full of absurdities, which, strange but true, need not be plausible since they are true. One is born into life in many forms, as a tree, as a butterfly, as a stone, or as a woman. So why may also be born a character in a play? So you and this other friends of yours have been born characters? Exactly! And alive, as you see, look at that! For God's sake, please get away from here. We come here to mourn. I marvel at your incredulity, ladies and gentlemen. Are you not accustomed to see characters like us? Creative and author, spring July, yourselves?
We are the 6 most interesting characters. Besides that, however,
Yes, that is the word. Sidetrack. What do you really want here, all of you? We
want to live.
for only a moment. In you. But where is the book? Oh, the book. It is in us. The drama is in us. We are the drama. Our inner passion drives us on to this.
My passion, sir. If only you knew. My passion for him.
Behave yourself.
With your permission, ladies and gentlemen, I, who am 2 months orphan, will show you how I can dance and sing. I'm too sadly lucky. Anytime you are near,
ossifies. Because look, isn't she ugly? When God suddenly takes this dear little child away from this poor mother here, and this imbecile here does the stupidest things. You will see me run away. But that moment hasn't come yet. After what has taken place between him and me, I can't remain any longer in this society to witness the anguish of this poor mother here or that fool there. Look at him. Look. See how different. He despises me. He despises her. He despises the baby here. Because we are bastards. He refuses to recognize her as his mother. His mother? She, who is the common mother to us all. Wretch!